How to make money on YouTube. Remember that viral YouTube video that made you spit your tea out this morning? That video could have earned the creator £1,000,000. Here's how you could make money from YouTube. How much does YouTube pay? Straight in there with the killer question, how much do YouTubers make? We don't mess about. But the answer is a bit of a mixed bag, if we're honest. While you might get lucky in waking up to find your video has gone viral, this is very unlikely. Nowadays, short funny videos tend to go viral on social media instead of YouTube, so the chances of your autotune cat video, yes, really, exploding overnight on YouTube are relatively low. How much does YouTube pay per view? We've all heard of the likes of Zoella, PewDiePie and Logan Paul, plus other more agreeable people, earning millions of pounds every year from their YouTube channels. But for the majority of YouTubers, the earnings are a lot more modest. As a benchmark, you can expect to make around $3-5 per 1,000 views, about £2.50-£4.10 per 1,000 views, at the time of writing. This means that 1 million views equals $3,000-5,000. Or between £2,500-4,100 to us British folk. However, more popular channels and videos can earn closer to £6 or £7 per 1,000 views. It quite literally pays to be popular. Multi-channel networks for YouTube creators. If you've already done a bit of research into making money on YouTube, you may have come across the term multi-channel networks or MCNs. As the name suggests, MCNs are essentially management groups for YouTube channels. It's similar to how multiple musicians will be signed to a single record label. How does the YouTube Partner Program work? The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is a scheme that allows video creators on the site to start monetizing their content. Members of the program can earn money from a number of sources, including adverts on your videos, YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content, channel memberships, where paid subscribers get exclusive content, Super Chats, where viewers in a live chat can essentially boost their comment to make it more visible to the streamer. Joining the YouTube Partner Program. Unfortunately, you won't be able to become a member of YPP if you have just one viral video to your name. Before you can join, you'll need to have over 1,000 subscribers and your videos must have been watched for a total of over 4,000 hours in the last 12 months. You'll also need to adhere to YouTube's community guidelines in terms of service. You'll also need a Google AdSense account. Don't worry if you think your viewers will be put off by commercials, you can choose which types of ads appear on your videos, like skippable clips or overlaying banners. YouTube Channel Starter Kit. This is what you need to start being a YouTuber. A decent camera or webcam. Quality is important and you'll need to record your videos in full 1080p HD if at all possible. Jack recommends the Canon G7X if you're after a camera, or the Logitech C920 if you'd rather use a webcam, which also happens to be much cheaper than a camera. Video editing software. iMacs have pretty decent video editing software included, iMovie, but for PC users or iMac owners who want something a little more advanced, there are more options. Jack recommends a few programs, Adobe Premiere, Vegas and Final Cut Pro, or you can try Lightworks, as featured in our guide to the best free software alternatives. Microphone. Most cameras come with a microphone, but if you're looking for top sound quality you might need to purchase a separate device altogether. Depending on your budget, Jack recommends either the Blue Snowball, Blue Yeti, used by us on our podcast, or the Rode Podcaster. Lighting. Splashing out on lighting isn't essential, but some top YouTubers swear by it. You can either get creative with the lights you already have around the house, or you can buy some dedicated video lighting. A decent backdrop. If you're filming a vlog, you might want to set up a decent backdrop. You can stick with a plain color, or jazz it up a bit by making whatever room you're filming in look really nice, but not too distracting. Capture card. You'll only need one of these if you want to record console games. If that's what you intend to be doing, Jack's card of choice for starters is the Elgato HD60. How to make the best YouTube videos. As we touched on earlier, you don't get paid until you get popular, and the more popular you get, the more you get paid. Annoying as this is, it makes sense really. You wouldn't pay to advertise on a billboard that nobody walks past, so why pay to advertise on a video nobody watches? How do you make a successful YouTube channel? Here are some tips on how to get more views on YouTube. Nobody wants to watch someone who's afraid to look at the camera, but being cocky can be off-putting too. Be confident. Follow popular trends. Pay attention to what other popular channels are posting right now, and not just what's done well in the past. Find your niche and be unique. This might sound like we're contradicting ourselves, but Jack agrees, being unique is just as important as following trends. This might sound trivial, but trust us, it isn't. Choose a good channel name. Just as you wouldn't expect an employer to take your CV seriously if you send it from Taylor Swift fan2k17xx@hotmail.co.uk, people are less likely to give your YouTube channel the time of day if your username is, well, Taylor Swift fan2k17xx. Be yourself. It's one of our top tips for making friends at uni, and to be honest, it applies to all areas of life. If you've ever tried to take on a new persona, you'll know it eventually becomes